Andrea dov'è? Andrea dov'è? Luca? Ma il telefono è di Lida?
Penso di sì.
Vuoi fare un video con questo?
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows, and I can feel.
Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to my channel. Wait, okay, so anytime I'm making my videos, this guy is always around. Okay, so hello guys, good afternoon, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Vivian. If you are seeing my beautiful face for the very first time, my name is Vivian. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. It is absolutely free. Subscribe and be a part of this family. Okay, so a quick update. Tomorrow I'll be going to visit my mom. My mom is living in another city here in Italy, and yeah, you guys, I'm just going to be taking you guys along as usual. I hope I'm able to vlog when I get there, and if I'm not able to vlog, you guys, I'll let you know anyways. So it's been long since I saw my mom, and I'm really excited that we are going tomorrow. I'm really happy that I'm going to be seeing her tomorrow, that I'm going to be seeing my sister and her family too. Yeah, it is really awesome. So yeah, yes, so see you guys tomorrow. Okay,
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
hello guys, we are almost there. I'm excited. I can't wait to see my Ige. Okay, so I can't wait to see my sister as well. Okay, and my niece. Yes. Oh guys, so I quickly did my makeup in the car because I couldn't, like, they live in another city, and so I had to, I mean we had to leave early, okay, okay, so that we can get there on time before noon. Okay, so I couldn't do my makeup at home, so I just quickly rushed it now. It's not max, okay, it's not my kind of makeup. I even forgot some stuff that I was supposed to use to do my makeup. Okay, you can see how my eyes are looking really tired, okay, because I had very little sleep last night. So see you guys later. Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone.
To say to your children and your grandchildren, say something for them.
Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah.
Cameraman.
Spelling of Jesus, then you spell it for the last
Not the picture, now video. Wait, my step, man. Guys, so practically we are done and right now we are going back home. It was a great and a wonderful day. You know, when you have the family reunion, it's always awesome. So I'm glad I was able to see everyone and everyone is fine. Okay, so we are just on our way back home yeah, it was nice. It was fun. We had a lot to eat and drink. Yeah, we had so much fun. And we had horse ride as well. You know. So bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.